Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm actually going to be showing you how to do something that I was talking about in a blog that I just recently wrote, and that is everything that has to do with alt tags. So alt tags meaning alternative text. That kind of goes into like website SEO. So I'm going to show you how to update and make sure your alt tags are good to go on your website to help with your website SEO. And then I will also link down in the description below a link to the blog that I'm referring to, so you can go and read that blog and kind of like get familiar with what alt tags even are, and also learn like why they're super important for your website. So we're gonna jump into my computer and I'm gonna show you how to update your alt tags right now. So once you are logged into your Shopify admin, this is my demo store as always, so it might look a tad bit different than yours, but for the most part, the Shopify admin should look the exact same. So once you get logged into your Shopify admin, on the left-hand side, you are going to click on products. And once you click on products, it is going to show you a list of all of the products that you have currently uploaded. Now, I want to preface this video by saying you can't update any of your alt tags for your products if you don't already have products loaded. So I would make sure that you have your products uploaded into your Shopify admin first, and then come back and watch the rest of this video. But assuming that you already have your products uploaded and you are ready to, kind of fine tune and tweak some things for your SEO, you are going to click on any product because it's all the same, and you are going to go through and do exactly what I'm about to show you. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to use the example product, Build Your Website For You. Okay, and so when I click on that, it's going to pull up the product page. So I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click on my product photo. So make sure you do have some media or some images of your product already uploaded, and then you're going to be able to update the text. So go ahead and click on your product photo. And now on the right-hand side, you are going to see right here where it says Edit Alt Text. So I already have alt text on this, but if I didn't, it would look like this. Let me go ahead and delete this for you. Okay, so yours, if you don't already have alternative text or an alt tag for this image, it's going to look something like this. And see where it says Add Alt Text. And then it also tells you, what is an alt text. So like I said in my intro video, I'm going to link a blog in the description below of this video, so you can go and read and understand like what alt tags are, why are they good for your website, why they help with your website SEO. But for a quick synopsis, basically an alternative text or an alt tag is just a quick way for you to describe what this image is. Now you might be wondering, okay, why is that important? Well, for example, when somebody were to Google, let's just say, build your entire website for you package, Google will sift through different search engines of sites, and they will, pull up photos that match what that person is searching for. So if you want your images to pull up and you want your images to rank on Google, then you need to make sure that you're describing what your images are, so Google or any other search engine knows, hey, this is what that photo is. So to add an alt text, it's super easy. You're just going to click on Add Alt Text, and then you're going to describe, what that photo is. So for me, I'm just going to say, build your entire website for you package. And then I'm going to click Save. And that's it. So now this image, this product has an alt text. So you would just go through all of your products and you would do that exact same thing. I will say another tip, guys, is make sure that your alternative text or your alt tags actually make sense. Like, don't just put like a bunch of random words, because, Google will know that it's just a bunch of random words and that it doesn't really make sense. And then, that actually makes your SEO rankings worse. So make sure when you are adding your alt text that the sentences actually flow and they actually make sense. So this is a super quick video. It's super easy. That's all you do. And now it is saved. If you're into learning more things about Shopify and just website stuff in general, different apps for your website, or even your email marketing and marketing systems, then consider subscribing to my channel. All right, guys, as always, I will see you in the next video.